welcome back to my channel. It's Friday afternoon and I've just set off from near Braithwaite. I'm in the northern lakes today. Thought I'd have a change and explore these mountains for a bit of a change. I've been up these before, but it's probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and not having been up for a while, I thought I'd just re-familiarise myself with these mountains and take you guys along too. I've not taken you up here on any of my YouTube videos, so it should be a bit different. That's Keswick over there and Braithwaite down there, and then if we look that way you can see sort of where I'm heading, but I've just realised I'm going the wrong way. I'm on the wrong path, so I need to turn around, double back to the car park and pick up the right path. What an idiot. Okay, I'm back on the right path. Can't believe that I set off on the wrong path. I've done about a mile out of my way, but I could have carried on that way, but I wanted to do this route in the opposite direction, so I just came back and I'm back on track now. So yeah, so the plan is head up to Grisedale Pike first, then along to Hopegill Head, take a left and then swing by and up to Grasmoor. Been up Grasmoor before a couple of times, but I've never camped up there, so be interesting camping somewhere new. I think it's reasonably flat, but I think it's also quite rocky, so I brought the Mountain Laurel Designs Duomoid again. If you saw my last video, you saw that it got damaged, and that's been repaired thanks to Lucy at Quint Craft. Absolutely, what an amazing person she is. She got it done in like 3 or 4 days, I think. Absolutely amazing, so massive thanks to Lucy. So I'm just on the levelish section here before I start the ascent to Grisedale Pike, and that wind has really picked up. It's about 17-18 degrees today. It's really quite warm, but yeah, to be honest, I'm a bit nervous about this after that last disaster with my tent, so I have to see how it goes and just take it really careful. But that's where I'm heading next, up to Grisedale Pike, and it looks quite a slog that, but that's Crag Hill you can see in cloud, and that looks pretty nasty, if I'm honest. Beyond that, just there to the right of it is Grasmoor, so that's where I'm heading. Who knows what the weather's going to do. The forecast for tonight is okay, 20% chance of rain I think, and 20-25 mile an hour winds, so we'll just have to see how it goes. But one step at a time. Grisedale Pike next. So I've just completed the first part of the ascent to Grisedale Pike, and so that's the next bit, and that's pretty steep. That's a bit not scrambly but screey, so that's the next bit, and then I'm up to Grisedale Pike. But see that cloud that I'm going to be heading into there, that doesn't look too good, and that wind's really picked up as well. But you can see from here, you can see the return route that I've planned down through the mines there, so we're coming back that way tomorrow, hopefully, if I survive the night. So that's the bulk of the climb done now, and as I say, it seems really windy on top, so I've just found a bit of shelter just before I peek out of the top. and I'm going to get another layer on rather than start taking my rucksack off and messing about in getting my clothes out in the wind. I'd rather just do it here, and I tend to suffer from earache as well when it's windy, so I'm going to put my beanie on as well. Grasmoor summit, that's next, just up there. Oh. Just approaching the summit of Grasmoor now. It has cleared a bit, which I'm pleased a bit, because I really wasn't feeling this at all. I thought of spending the night on my own inside a cloud up here, and I just really wasn't fancying it, but it's cleared for now, and I'm just approaching the summit shelter now. So I just reached Grasmoor summit, and it's took me 2 hours 30 minutes, pretty good that. But the cloud that was just clearing is now moving back in again, as you can see, and it's really windy. So I'm going to just have a look and see where the best place to pitch is, probably somewhere a bit lower down, but as I said before, it's really rocky. So I need somewhere secure for this tent. So I'll go and have a look a bit lower down. This side, all the views are this way really, but there's no way I can pitch into this wind. I need to get some shelter over the other side, so I'll just have a look down there. you can imagine, I'm totally fed up. Another disaster. I'm gonna have to head back now. Might find somewhere lower down where it's not as windy, but I don't know. What time is it? Let's see what time it is. 20 to 6 now, so it'll be dark in an hour. There's no way I can get back in an hour. But I've got my head to it, so I'll just head back in the dark. Really fed up with that. But what can you do? No point wasting energy on mourning. That's what I always say. Keep smiling. Regroup, live to fight another day, learn from the mistakes, get your kit better, and get back out once it's all sorted. So I've got to get back up to Grasmoor summit now. Oh, I was looking forward to getting in the tent and having a rest. I'm knackered. Instead of that, I'm going to head back. Oh God, I'm absolutely shattered. I made good time to camp. I'm going to drop down about 500 feet from the summit to try and get some shelter. That didn't work out. Hello again. I've given myself a chance to calm down a bit. I've just come down from up there, Grasmoor. Well, I was actually down the other end, probably about 500 feet off the summit, so I had to make that 500 feet up back to the summit and then come back down again. So yeah, I've had to think about looking for somewhere just lower down for the night. The wind's dropped down here now, and I'm thinking of pitching here. It's not ideal really, but it's better than going back to the car and going home, isn't it? I mean, what do you think? Back to the car, spend the night in this. Yeah, so do I. Just get the tent up. 20 to 7, sun's already set, but that wind's dropped. It's much calmer down here, but I'm absolutely shattered. I need to get in that tent, have something to eat. I'll probably be asleep in 10 minutes and then be awake in another 10 minutes, but yeah, it's not a bad spot this. If that wind stays down, should be alright. Tent looks okay. And just have a look around. Streams down there, that's where I came from, up on Grasmoor. Crag Hill, Eel Crag, I think that is there, I'm not sure. Put it on the screen what it is. I'm just absolutely knackered. Well, good morning. Not a bad night that. The wind dropped. and tent's been fine. So I just need to have a think about sorting this pole out. I've got these rocks here because the ground's quite soft and the pointy end was just sinking into the ground, even going past that stop. So I just need to think about sorting the pole out, but that's for another time. It's quite clagged in now, as you can see. The kettle's on. Got my ploughman's breakfast, so looking forward to that. I was contacted recently by the Swedish outdoor clothing company Revolution Race. I couldn't believe it really, because it was only a few months ago that I decided to buy some of the trousers myself. It's not these ones, but having lost quite a lot of weight recently, they're a bit too big for me, so I haven't worn them much recently, but I did really like them, and I couldn't believe it when they got in touch and said would I be interested in checking out one of their jackets and some trousers. So these are the ones that I picked. I've got the Cyclone Rescue jacket in this olive colour, which I think's great. Love the colour. And I also chose these GP Pro Rescue trousers. Again, they're as you can see, I'm wearing them, I'm using them, that's what they're for. So they're a bit dirty, but yeah, let's just have a closer look at them. So if we take a look at this Cyclone Rescue jacket first, I chose it in this olive colour, which I really like. And some of the details, I like you got a bit of branding on there, and then the Rocco branding there, just little bits like that on the cuffs. I like the cuffs. You can tighten them down with the Velcro bits there. Really good for that, keeping the wind and the rain out. I've not tested it in the rain, but it's a waterproof, windproof, breathable jacket. Really nice quality zips there. Then you've got a pocket on the front, and the really big hood, and it's helmet compatible as well. So really big hood on it. I haven't used that, but with the helmet, but yeah, really nice. And you've got the little tabs down there, so you can tighten it round your waist. And we've got the zip pockets as well. I wouldn't have a jacket without zip pockets. Just stop things falling out once you put them in your pockets. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. I'm really pleased with this. And they also sent me these GP Pro Rescue trousers. Really nice fit again on these. You can tell that they've been really well thought out. I like the orange on the zips there. So that's nice pocket on there. And then you've got a leg vent, which I did use. It was quite warm coming up, so I did use the leg vent. There's a mesh inside of that. And then lower down, there's more vents there. And you can tighten them around your boots as well, which is nice. Just there. So that, again, a nice fit round your boots. There's stretchy material on the backs of the upper legs, and then harder wearing material on the contact points. Again, you've got the orange on there. There's a zip pocket at the back as well, and harder wearing material on the seat. So I'm really, yeah, I'm dead pleased with them. Little pocket there, you can just put your hand in. Yeah, dead pleased with them. I've been wearing them all this trip. As I said, that's why they're a bit dirty, because, you know, I've been using them. That's what they're for, and I'm looking forward to continuing using them. Massive thank you to Revolution Race for getting in touch with me and let me try the trousers out and the jacket, and look forward to checking some more of this stuff out in the future. Well, as you can see, it's got pretty clagged in now, so I thought I might as well head back. All packed up, leave no trace as always, and time to head back down to Braithwaite now, and it started raining, so it's getting quite miserable, so we'll head back now. Wow, what a place. The land that time forgot. Let's have a look at these old mine buildings. So I don't know anything about this place, but I'll have a bit of a Google and I'll put a link in the description if I find something, if anyone's interested. So by the time this video goes out, hopefully my hand operation will be all done and dusted. But the way this year's gone, personally, it's probably going to get cancelled again. I've had a number of issues all year and I continue to have problems, so let's just hope that this can get done and that's one thing out of the way. What I would like to say though is a massive thank you to everyone that supported my channel and myself through the comments on the videos, and same with the Instagram page and my Facebook page. The comments on there have been really amazing, and I don't know where I'd be without them, to be honest. I really don't. I'd also like to thank Revolution Race for sending me the jacket and trousers. Still got the trousers on now, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them if you do this sort of stuff. Really pleased with them, really nice quality. I like the design as well, the bright colours, you know, I like my bright colours. So yeah, I'll put a link to the items I've got on my in the description, and I'd urge you to check out their website. Really great kit. As I've said, this year continues to be really difficult for me, and I don't know if I'm going to be carrying on with this channel. I just need to think about how I'm feeling, and maybe I'll carry on, maybe I won't. I want this channel to be positive. It's not about mourning. It's about that's why I set it up. It's about a bit of a release for people to forget about the problems, and for me to forget about my problems too, and enjoy all this. I want to be doing this with a smile on my face. I don't want to be miserable, so if I'm miserable, I don't want to be sharing that with you guys, because that brings everyone down. So yeah, see what happens with my operation. I'm going to be off the air for a bit with this, and depending on what else goes on with me, I don't know when I'm going to be back, but hopefully things will turn around and I'll be back in the near future. So thanks for watching, guys, really appreciate it. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and hope to see you in the next one, whenever that may be. See ya.